All right, so I know that some persons are having challenges getting in the Google Classroom, and so I'm gonna click on Google Classroom right here, right here. And to join the class as a student, my system is moving a bit slow, so we could process for now. All right, so I'm clicking right here. So I'm already signed in. For the persons who are not signed in, it will prompt you to sign in, and you will sign in with your Gmail account. So I'm going to click join class. Ask your teacher for the class code. So I'm going to put the class code right here. That copy the code. So it's LND3X5S. So that's my code. Here. Alright, they're telling me that I could not join the class. Maybe because I am a teacher. So let me switch account. An account, so I'm gonna be putting in. I'll use another account. I want this thing to be speed. Move faster, computer, faster, faster, faster. Password?
Carter.
Capital C, regular C. It's Carter. Oh, I just want to get into the classroom. I'm actually as a class there already, but different class. So I need to get into this I was saying join in. All right, so some persons are having issues uploading their assignments. So this smart goal that you'd like to achieve. All right, this is saying I'm missing because I missed the due date, which was yesterday. The view question. All right, so we're saying Shari's answer. All right, so this is what I would do. I'd come right over here. Let me move this so you can see clearly. Let me move me out of the way. So I'd come right in here and type in what is a smart goal. Just type in my smart goal. Where I'm typing, guys. Skills. February so So it's measurable, there is time, I am specific what I want to achieve. And now this is my SMART goal, so all I would click is just turn in, and voila, turn in, and it's in. It is in. So I have submitted it, so the teacher will be able to see it and all of that. Second, let me check on my other assignment pieces. That you like to achieve, your question discuss through environmental. Well, the environmental one would be the same thing. So you'd come right here, you would answer your question, view question, you would answer your question, type it right here. If you have typed it already, you can just copy it and paste it right here. Then you'll turn it in, and then you are good to go. Alright, so I was trying to find something that I have to actually submit. Alright, let me do this one. Choose a successful entrepreneur. So this is a research piece that you'd have to do. So I go here, view assignment. Alright, so say I have completed my assignment. Now I will come right here, and there's the instructions for you guys. You know, if you don't need to add or create a file, you can mark your artwork as done. So I mistakenly moved the other piece a bit too quickly. Got it? So these instructions are right there for you to follow. So add or create, and I go to file and say I completed my assignment already. I will go to upload, browse. This thing is moving so slow because this video is going longer than I want it to. I don't want to eat up anybody's megabytes. Alright, so let me see, what can I upload? Explain my screen, boy. I want something simple that I don't have to. Let me go into my HFLE documents. Oh, but I have my Inchap files here. I have it on thumb drive. Can somebody find my thumb drive, please? I'm not uploading anything from it, but you know. Alright, let me go use this purpose planner. This is a good thing to forget. So I'd go right here, click open. Move. Alright, yes, this video keeps getting longer and longer. Alright, so when you're ready to submit all of your files to this assignment, remember to turn it in. So let me see, got it. I can get this out of my way. Got it. Again, my head is in the way, so let me shift myself. I got it. Turn in. And any comment you want to make, you can just type private comment down there or type it in general over this side. So I'm gonna click turn in. So remember, if there's something that you need to say to me, you put it right here or right here. So this is in, and voila, that's it. So if there's something I remember I did not complete, I just click on unsubmit and then make my correction, and then I go back through the whole process and submit it. So guys, that's it for now. I am trusting that this was quite helpful for you, and you will have less struggles when you are required to upload your assignment piece.